welcome to Smokey Silk Garage. This is our Christmas episode. Apparently my brother's into pranks. Not that I didn't know, but you guys probably didn't. He got me a good one today, so enjoy.
Evening all. Being as I'm always told that I like black and orange, which I do, I don't hide the fact that I do. I think it looks quite smart. I decided tonight I would try and sort out the paintwork on my brother's car. I never really liked it. Leave your Beetle in my workshop, you pay for it. Income. What do you reckon?
I reckon that look holly good.
You wait till we put the red and the blue on.
Put it in more.
Oh, he's going to be cross.
Holly trouble. Holly trouble.
But he's involved as well. He can stand there looking smug, but he's involved.
3 hours later.
Betting he's not going to be very grateful. He never is. But he's left it in here, on my ramp, in my workshop. So it was fair game. Now come on. I know I keep saying it, but that looks way cooler. And I think he's just going to be ungrateful. Let me know what you think in the comments.
Early the next morning.
What do you think?
I think you lot have got too much time on your hands. And I'll happily bleep that out later on. You. How long have you been?
Only took a little bit of time last night. It looks good, doesn't it?
Shame we could drive down the road and then we're going to flap off. Mate? Worth what's smoke now?
Well, you said in your video, I only like black and orange. So I've done your white.
And blue and red.
Racing stripes.
Right, it has to have, doesn't it?
Herbie does.
53. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, I see where you're going. I don't even know how many thousands of post-it notes he's used. It's going to take me hours to get them off. Part of me says we should just clear coat it and call it good. At least it's covered up the ugly headlights. You even got the stripes straight. I don't know. Right, so I need your help. YouTube, comments below, because we've got to get him back. He doesn't read the comments, so any ideas what we can do? Let me know. We'll make it happen. This is war now. He won't be smiling soon. Where did you even get that many post-it notes?
Amazon.
I mean, this isn't something that just happened.
No.
There's been many
pre-planned.
Pre-planning, yeah.
Yeah, it was good. I took some time and effort into this, and I hope you understand, you know.
You do realise this is it now, gloves are off.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, okay.
Yeah, I'm waiting to see if you can out-prank me. Because, I mean, I have just done a belter of a prank.
You did, I'll give you that. No. I don't get pranked very often. That was a good one.
Oh, yeah.
Right. Brain's whirring. He's going to get it. So, it's a few days later. I've got a new job, which is to start peeling off the post-it notes from my 996 that my little brother has pranked me so hard on. And, well, I must admit, this is probably his best effort yet. So, touche, my little brother. I think you've outdone yourself. So, the only plus side of this, because we always have to look for a plus side, is for the next hour or so that I spend pulling these off, I can start scheming how I'm going to get him back. A little sad to be pulling them off, to be fair. They've been on a few days now, and I must admit I'm quite quite liking it. Maybe he's hit on something. I'm really drawn to the headlights now. He's solved a Porsche problem. I didn't know he was so artistic. Jesus, can't even operate a bin bag. Oh, soppy for one. 2, 3, 244, 245, 246, 247, 248.
Much later.
1, 682, 683, 684, 685, 686 and a half, 680, 1, 2, 3,
Thousands of tears later.
7, 8, 9, 1,000. On the 23rd day of Christmas, my brother gave to me a post-it note covered 996. No problem. If you just give me your phone number and then I'll get back to you. Yeah, I've got a pen. 7, 5, 4, 3, 9, 1, 2. Okay, lovely. I'll call you back shortly. Handy. I got to thinking, I wonder if we can drive it down the road. Well, I'm not gonna, because well, it ain't got an engine. Let's test the aerodynamic efficiency of post-it notes. 5 mile an hour, 10 mile an hour. You don't need wind tunnels in Formula 1. Post-it notes in an airline. 15 mile an hour, 20 mile an hour, 50 mile an hour. Uh-oh. 60 mile an hour, 70 miles per hour, 80 mile an hour with full chat. They held up well. Damn, those are some high quality post-it notes he used. He didn't scrimp on the post-it notes. Man earns too much money. I hate my brother. Shouldn't have picked on him when he was little. Shouldn't have shot him with the air gun. I'm telling Mum. He ain't getting a Christmas card. I'm gonna burn his present. This is war. Scheming my revenge. One post-it note at a time. Every post-it note's an idea. I haven't found one yet. What did you do today, Gavin? Oh, yeah, I had a great day. Shuffled some paperwork. This must be what it's like having an office job. I'm glad I don't work in an office. How are these sticking so well? It's minus flipping 10 in here. It's middle of December. can't let him know he's too smart. He's only flipping good. My most favourite car, sabotaged. He's sat in Greg's, drinking tea and a sausage roll, laughing his arse off now. Revenge will be mine. 1,893, 1,894, 1,895, 1,896, 1,897 and a third, 1,898. Finished. You absolute cheese melt. I'm gonna get you back. I'm gonna get you back. Right. Oh, it looks rubbish again now. Needs a wash. I think I preferred it with the Herbie decals. Okay, so there we go. Thanks for watching today's episode. Have a merry Christmas and a happy new year. We'll see you all again in 2026. And yeah, think of some good things. Comment down below if you got any ideas of how to get my brother back, because this one's not done. Anyway, if you haven't done so already, please do like and subscribe down below. We are Smoking Still Garage, home of the two brothers who prank each other. We drink tea, we make bad decisions. See you all again soon.